this video we will look at the top 5 best workout power towers available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality, features, and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. Stamina Power Tower. The Stamina Power Tower is the most versatile model when it comes to pull UPS. It is a very stylish and multifunctional power tower that will be a great alternative to lots of bulky and pricey gym material. Let's see what the essential features of this power tower are. The 1698 model includes some impressive extras compared to basic options. And it only takes up 49 x 42.5 of space. It is 81 tall, so you'll want to make sure your room has high enough ceilings to handle it. It has padded arm loops to place your arms through during hanging leg raises, a curved pull-up bar for different grip options, an inverted row station to build your back muscles at a different angle, and everything that comes with your typical power tower. This tower has a unique design and multiple features that are not found on other towers. Overall, it's widely known as lightweight and bodyweight exercise equipment. Number 4. Bangtong Relif Power Tower. This is the best weighter power tower alternative for sure. The cushion quality, steel gauge, wielding quality, handle grips, everything about the Bangtong Relif Power Tower is at par with commercial grade workout station. The station can handle 330 pounds user and suitable to be used by the whole family. This model features 4 different workstations for a variety of exercises. It's a good fit for your home gym if you're looking for a budget model that helps you complete a variety of exercises. We can adjust the pull-up bar in 6 levels from 76.4 to 84.3 inches to find the optimal length for us. The bar allows us to both narrow and wide grip pull UPS. The vertical knee raise station has a thickly padded arm and back pad for maximum comfort. This is a good budget option. However, it's worth bearing in mind that it won't be as stable as competitive models when it comes to vigorous exercises such as swinging motions. Number 3. Relif Rebuild Your Life Power Tower. This power tower is a new, improved model. It features great stability and has the unique addition of suction cups on the base to help hold it in place. The multi-grip pull-up station with adjustable height, dip section with thickened foam handles, and anti-skid large foot grips to support intense use of these exercise posts make it a complete workout station. It is adjustable in height to suit the user's height. For this, 9 holes allow you to adjust the height from 149.9 cm to 225 cm. It is also possible to adjust the back cushion according to your height. Thanks to these numerous possibilities, your exercises can be done in optimal comfort. If you have very little floor space to spare in your home gym and still want to have a workout tower installed that offers a platform for most of the major body weight moves, then this is the one for you. Number 2. Bowflex Body Tower. Bowflex has a great reputation in the fitness world. They are king of small space workout equipment and this body tower is no exception. In particular, it's ideal if you're looking for versatility, since it features adjustable horizontal bars and foam padded sling straps that allow you to perform more than 20 exercises at varying intensities. A great feature of the Bowflex Body Tower is the easy adjust bar. You can move this along the body of the power tower for comfortable, flexible workouts. This is a great feature if you want to use hand grips for a variety of exercises. It also allows you to easily adjust the intensity of your workouts. Bowflex Body Tower also comes with a workout placard that helps beginners to get started. The design of this dip pull-up station is stable as well. Users over 200 pounds can use it without rocking. Some of them even use additional weights with it. The easy-to-adjust dip bars of the tower can be fixed at 7 different heights within seconds without using any tool. Number 1. Sports Royals Power Tower. This tower is the most popular item at Amazon, and for a good reason. Sports Royals wins this round of the best power towers with a pull-up dip station for any home gym. If you want a power tower that is incredibly easy to work with, this is going to be an ideal solution. The assembly is very simple, and you'll be able to have it set up in no time at all. It's great for those looking for something that isn't overly complicated. Sports Royal Power Tower has adjustable height and is 26.6 inches wide. The frame is made of 14-gauge heavy square steel. We don't have to be afraid of bending or breakage, no matter how heavy we are. The stand is made from thick steel and a reinforced triangular structure to ensure maximum support. The long T-frame and anti-slip covers provide amazing stability and allow for more loading points to prevent tipping. It can accommodate more sizes of users than any other tower. So, if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.